Organizing an event involves multiple steps and careful planning to ensure its success. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you with event planning. Define the purpose and goals. Clearly identify the purpose of the event. Set specific goals and objectives you want to achieve. Create a budget. Determine the overall budget for the event. Break down expenses for venue, catering, entertainment, decorations, marketing, etc. Establish a timeline. Develop a detailed timeline with key milestones and deadlines. Consider factors like when to finalize the venue and when to confirm vendors. Select a date and venue. Choose a date that aligns with your goals and target audience. Select a venue that suits the event size, theme, and budget. Book key suppliers. Confirm vendors for catering, audio-visual equipment, decorations, etc. Ensure contracts are clear and include all details. Prompt for general event planning. What are the key steps in planning a successful event? See the response. Define the purpose and goals, setting measurable objectives. Establish a budget, breaking down expenses for various aspects. Create a detailed timeline, securing suppliers and choosing a venue. Prompt for defining the event. What factors should I consider when setting event objectives? Here's the response. Consider specificity, measurability, relevance, and realism when setting event objectives. Ensure objectives align with the event's purpose and achievable within a defined time frame. This approach enhances clarity, accountability, and effective planning. Prompt for budgeting. Can you provide a sample budget template for event planning? ChatGPT's response. Here is a sample event budget template. Expenses cover venue rental, catering, decorations, marketing, and staff volunteers cost. Allocate for a contingency fund, printing, promotional materials, and insurance. Prompt for timeline and planning. How do I create a timeline for organizing an event? See what GPT says. Start with the event date and work backward. Identify key milestones and allocate time for tasks. Consider dependencies and build in buffer time for delays. Communicate the timeline, delegate tasks, and regularly update as the planning progresses. Prompt for venue selection. Can you provide a checklist for evaluating potential event venues? Let's see the answer. When evaluating potential event venues, consider factors such as location, accessibility, capacity, available amenities, ambience, and cost transparency. Ensure the venue can accommodate your technical requirements and provides necessary services like on-site coordinators and cleaning. Check for compliance with permits, regulations. Research the venue's reputation through reviews and references, and review contract terms, insurance coverage, and any additional fees. Prompt for vendor and supplier management. How do I go about selecting and confirming vendors for catering, decorations, etc. So here is the answer. Selecting and confirming vendors for catering, decorations, and other event services involves a strategic process. Begin by defining your specific requirements and researching potential vendors, considering reviews and recommendations. Request detailed proposals, conduct interviews, and check references to assess reliability and quality. Carefully review and negotiate contracts, confirming availability and making reservations well in advance. Collaborate with vendors to finalize details, coordinating delivery and setup times. Remember that flexibility is key in event planning as unexpected challenges can arise. By staying organized and following a comprehensive plan, you will be better equipped to handle whatever comes your way.